Hi guys, today we're going to open Sofia the First magazine. It's full of surprises with some help from the Mushi monsters, Anna and Elsa from Frozen. And look who's hiding here, Oleg. So let's open our first surprise now. Hi guys, so our first surprise is a Kinder Surprise. Let's see what's inside. We have a yummy, delicious milk chocolate here. We have a leaflet with how to make the toy. So if you just click these two together, we have a little springy monster. We have zombielings. It's a red color house. Let's open it. We have a leaflet in here with all the different zombielings to collect. We have not one but two zombielings. So let's see who we have in here. We have Raiklin. It's a purple and a yellow zombieling. It's very squishy. And who's this? It's a blue and yellow peacock. He's also very squishy. Let's open another surprise. We have Strange Hill High's gooey figures. That includes goo glow in the dark. Let's open them. It's a blue cabinet. We have Temple here. He's a blue. He's actually quite hard. And some goo in here. Glow in the dark. We have very squidgy glue. It's all squidgy and slimy. And we have our temple. Let's close him inside. Let's see what surprise we have. We have a Spiderman Kinder Surprise. With some yummy chocolate. It's white milk chocolate with some brown as well. Let's open it. We have a leaflet with the different Spidermans to collect. And a Spiderman. It's a red and blue Spiderman standing up. Let's see what else we have. We have another Kinder Surprise. It's Transformers. Let's open it. With some delicious yummy chocolate. Let's see what's inside. We have a leaflet, with how to build our transformer inside. Let's build it. Let's see what else we have. Behind these magazines we have, it's a Ben 10 magazine. Let's see what's inside. We have a ball launcher. Here we have a green ball launcher, a blue, red and yellow balls, in the Ben 10 magazine. There's a story in here. There's loads of stories. We have a poster which you can color. Another poster. More Ben 10 Spot the Difference games. A puzzles. More posters. Crossword. Let's see what other surprise we have. We will open frozen egg. We have an egg, pink egg, with a mug. It's a very pretty mug. It has Oleg, Elsa and Anna. Let's open the pink chocolate. Inside this, wow, we have a very pretty bracelet. Look how shiny that is and how many crystals it has. It looks like ice. That's a very pretty bracelet. I really like this. That was a very good surprise. Look how it sparkles and shines. Let's see what other surprise we have. Let's open the Mushi Monster Slug popcorn. There's loads of Mushi monsters in here. All the different Mushi monsters. Let's open it. we have, what's this? A surprise Spider-Man. What's Spider-Man doing in here? How did he get into the Mushi monster? That was a very good surprise, Spider-Man. Thank you. Inside we have another card with some code on there. We have flower Mushi monster. It looks very pretty. It's a yellow with a red and a white hat with a green mouth. That's very pretty. And another mobile phone Mushi monster with a star on top. And you can use this to store your toys in there, or your colours. Going to store all my items in there. Shall we put Spider-Man back in? Bye-bye, Spider-Man! Off you go. That's a very nice jar. Wow! What is that? It's Build-A-Bear surprise! I wonder who's inside this. Who can you see? Shall we open it? Look who's inside. Oh my god. Is that who I think it is? Oh, it's a Spider-Man teddy. Wow. It's a Spider-Man teddy. It's a teddy with spider webs all over him. And on his feet he has Spider-Man picture. That's a very cool teddy. And last but not least, we have Sofia the First magazine with a purse to make. It has 27 stickers. Let's make our very own purse and decorate it. We have beautiful purple purse with a butterfly on the end. We have a badge with Sofia the First. It says Princess in Training. That would look awesome if you wear it. And I have some stickers here which you can put on your nails like I have. They look very nice. So we put another one. You can either put them on your nails, your paper, or your clothes, or even on a purse. Shall we decorate the purse? Put a little heart on it. Look how pretty that is. You can even decorate the back. You can put your money inside, or put a badge inside. You can either put the badge on here as well. Just be careful when you do this, because you can ask an adult to help you, as this is very sharp, so you don't want to hurt yourself. How pretty is that? I love that little butterfly dangling. So shiny and sparkly. Look, just like my pretty nails, look. We have a story inside about where is Clover. We have a story in here about where is Clover. Clover is this bunny, and this is Sofia the first. That's her little birdie. We're going to help Sofia find her friends. We have a hippo here. Oh, they've circled the hippo. Shall we find the bird in here? Where is the bird? I wonder where it is. Can you see the bird? Tell me when you see the bird. Do you see the bird anywhere? Back. Back way. Go back that way. Up. Oh, you found the bird. You are so clever. Shall we circle the bird? We found it. Thank you for helping me. That was so good. You guys are so clever. I couldn't have done it without you. Shall we do one more? Okay, then shall we find this horse? Can you see where he is? Can you see him? I think I've just seen him. I think I have. Look, he's hiding behind some trees. Let's circle him. Oh, that was so fun. Let's see what's on the next page. Oh, we have another game in here. So we have to start from here. Sofia, help her to go to her friends. And then we have to go to the horse. So if we go up, 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 up. Should we go that way? Oh, okay. Oh, we found her friends. How do we go to this place? Should we go down, down, up? Oh no, that's the wrong one. Let's go back again. So from here, if we go down, down, up, that way. Oh no. Oh, we found him. And then if we have to go to the wizard now. So from the horse you go up. Oh, there's the wizard. That was easy. And now we have to go to her sisters. Up, up, round. Should we go up? Oh, we go that way. Okay. Oh, well done. And then the end. So we can go from here, up, round, and... Oh, thank you so much for helping me. So we have magic show in here, where we're going to colour. The amazing Boswell. This is Boswell. He's made a vanishing trick, and he's made James all disappear. Let's colour James back and make him look all nice and pretty. Should we make his hair color orange? There we go. He looks very handsome. Let's see what else we have on the next page. Oh, we have a puzzle in here. Let's cut out these puzzles and put them where they go. Let's get started. Make sure you ask an adult to help you with this, because scissors are very sharp. Oh, these are zigzag scissors. Can you see this? Makes a zigzag. Aren't they cool? Once you cut all of these out, once you have cut out all your puzzles, we can start to put them on top. So shall we see, where does this one go? Does it go here? Oh, it does! That was just a guess, but that was a very good guess. What about this? Where does this go? Does it go here? No? What about here? Shall we try here? Oh, it does! Look, it matches with the dragon. Shall we do one more? This looks like a very difficult one. Oh, is that the birds? There's two dicky birds on top. Does it go here? Oh, it does. Wow. You guys are so clever. Thank you for helping me. Let's see what else we have. On this page, we have a puzzle. So if we match up all these words, we will get what this word. This word doesn't make sense. Friendies, that doesn't make a sense. So if we match up the horse, and if you write R here, the letter, you go up, down, and down. If we have a screw here. If we match that up with here, so the letter F, you go down, up, and a little F. For I wonder what that says. A little birdie. Where's the bird? Is that the bird? Oh, that's the butterfly, silly me. Is that the bird? Oh, thank you. So what was that? A D. You go down and round. N, that's a butterfly. A pink butterfly. So we write N in here. Down and up. The flower is a E. It's a pink with green leaves. Is that a flower? No, that's a paw. Print of a dog. That's the flower. So you write the letter E. You go straight down and right and a little E. Does that make sense? For and I think I know what that says. Do you know it as well? The bird is a S. So you go down and right. For ants, I think we know. Is it the letter I? Yeah, down. It says friends. Well done, we are friends. Are you guys my friends as well? Oh, what we have here? Here we have the big vinyl. So you have to join up all the letters. So if you start with the number 1, where's 1? 1. Oh, is that not 1? What number is that? The number 10. Sorry, where's 1? Oh, there's 1. So if you go up, and where's number 3? 2, 3, 4. Can you count with me, please? 5. What's after 5? 7? Oh, 6. Sorry. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Thank you. We counted up to 10. Well done. We counted up to 10. Let's see what else we have on here. We have, last but not least, a matching pay game. Let's cut out all these things. Remember, be careful. Scissors are very sharp, so you have to ask an adult to help you. Once you've cut them all out, they should look like this. Shall we do matching the pay game? Right. So can you help me find Sofia. Let's see. Is this Sofia? No. What about... Does she look like Sofia? That's a horse, silly me. What about... Does she look like Sofia? No, Sofia got brown hair and she's got black. Oh, she's got a pretty flowers in her hair. Look how pretty they look with some pearls. Oh, there's some pearls here. Look, I have a shiny bracelet from before. Does she look like Sofia? Yeah, well done. There's Sofia. Shall we do another one? Shall we do the bird one? Let's find another bird. We found a robin! A purple and white robin bird. Let's do all of the others. And it should look like this. There's the matching pair games. Wasn't that fun? Well guys, that's it for today. We've had super duper fun. We've opened so many things and had so much fun. We had so many surprises to open. Wasn't it fun? And had lots of chocolate too. Yummy delicious chocolate. Well, that's it for today then. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Toysland. So I'll see you another time. Bye! We have very squidgy glue. It's all squidgy and slimy. And we have our temple. Let's close him inside. Let's see what surprise we have. We have a Spiderman Kinder Surprise. With some yummy chocolate. It's white milk chocolate with some brown as well. Let's open it. We have a leaflet with the different Spidermans to collect. And a Spiderman. It's a red and blue Spiderman standing up. Let's see what else we have. We have another Kinder Surprise. It's Transformers. Let's open it. With some delicious yummy chocolate. Let's see what's inside. We have a leaflet with how to build our transformer inside. Let's build it. Let's see what else we have. Behind these magazines we have a Ben 10 magazine. Let's see what's inside. We have a ball launcher. Here we have a green ball launcher, a blue, red and yellow balls, in the Ben 10 magazine. There's a story in here. There's loads of stories. We have a poster which you can color. Another poster. More Ben 10 Spot the Difference games. A puzzles. More posters. Crossword. Let's see what other surprise we have. We will open frozen egg. We have an egg, pink egg, with a mug. It's a very pretty mug. It has Oleg, Elsa and Anna. Let's open the pink chocolate. Inside this, wow, we have a very pretty bracelet. Look how shiny that is and how many crystals. We have not one but two zombielings. So let's see who we have in here. We have Raiklin. It's a purple and a yellow zombieling. It's very squishy. And who's this? It's a blue and yellow peacock. He's also very squishy. Let's open another surprise. We have Strange Hill High's gooey figures. That includes goo glow in the dark. Let's open them. It's a blue cabinet. We have Temple here. He's a blue. He's actually quite hard. And some goo in here. Glow in the dark. Hi guys, today we're going to open Sofia the First magazine. It's full of surprises with some help from the Mushi monsters, Anna and Elsa from Frozen, and look who's hiding here, Oleg. So let's open our first surprise now. Hi guys, so our first surprise is a Kinder Surprise. Let's see what's inside. We have a yummy delicious milk chocolate here. We have a leaflet with how to make the toy. So if you just click these two together, we have a little springy monster. We have zombielings. It's a red color house. Let's open it. We have a leaflet in here with all the different zombielings to collect.